Here it is. So, we got told when you're going camping, you need to have an air fryer.
No.
You need to have yourself an air fryer. So we went out, Amazon Prime Day, we went out and purchased this. This is the Cosori Air Fryer. I'm going to cook some bacon. I'm going to cook some bacon for my breakfast. So, we'll turn it on.
Yes, I know.
We need to do preheat, I think.
Yeah.
Preheat. I know this because I did it earlier. We do 160 and then start. This is 3 minutes on it, so we're going to preheat for 3 minutes and then we'll come back, we'll get the bacon prepared, we'll stick it in, we'll see how easy this is to do. Hello, Bella. Right. Yep, come back later or something. There's the bacon. It's really raining. Right, babe.
I'm going to do the floss.
Why are you blushing? I'm doing a video here and you're doing a video down there.
Oh, I didn't know you were doing a video.
I'm doing a video on the Cosori.
I didn't see it, sorry.
That's alright.
Anyway, I was doing the floss.
You're doing a floss right here.
Okay.
Yeah, you did, but I didn't see it. Right.
No, I don't. So, hey guys, welcome to
We have done our preheat. Look at how hot. Right. Stick in some bacon. 1.
Oh, I'm making a noise with
2. 3. You can only really get like 3 slices in it. I'm going to put 4 in. Move it over a little bit. Like that. 4 slices of bacon in there. Pop it back in. And then
Daddy, is it the same video?
bacon.
Daddy, is it
Start. 8 minutes. 6 minutes. We're going to have it in some little flatbreads here. It's a bit wobbly already, this knife.
Oh yeah, it was. And Mum and Dad gave it to me. We can leave it here.
Let's see, glue it. 5 minutes.
The instructions were in the wardrobe. Are there any use?
I think the bread is to cook a whole bread, isn't it?
It might actually be because you could probably cook bread in it.
Yeah, I think that's what it was.
So, but I reckon if you would put those in for the last minute or something, they'll also probably take up some of the taste of the bacon, which might be nice.
What if I open it before it's cooked? Will it mess it up?
No, it will just stop, cut out, and then it will then start the second you push it back in again. So it will just stop and restart like microwaves.
I might put it for last minute.
But there's no extra button you need to press, it will just be automatic.
Okay.
It will do.
We'll do it in the last minute.
Yeah.
So we're going to stick these in for the last minute of the bacon cooking. So we'll have bacon flavoured, warmed flatbreads. Right, final minute. Can you come? Where's the dog? She inside? Oh. Right, there you go. Right, final minute. I'm going to do.
The electric screws, this is mine.
Oh no. Oh.
Well, I haven't really made a video. Wait, is it bacon ready?
Yeah. Right, I'm going to put it in.
This is my bacon.
Right, you can have a piece of bacon.
So I guess we can just like say the video ended.
And then we put it back in, and then there you go, it starts again. Right, well, I have noticed that I have left a bit of a weird bacon trail at the bottom there. Put flatbread bacon in the flatbreads for the final minute.
I think you look pretty cool, Squid.
I need some ketchup.
Right, here we go.
Did you not? You say like and subscribe. Right.
I said like and subscribe. I also did the floss at the end like this, Daddy.
Right, get yourself a plate.
plate, Mummy. Right.
You need a plate.
What about this cool bowl?
Yeah.
Take one up for you.
Is it really hot?
Cool bowl.
That perfect bacon in a pita.
You need to put this in. Oh, it's just this. There you go.
That's for you.
That's bacon.
Yeah, just bacon for you. Yeah. There we go. Bacon sandwich. 8 minutes.
Can I have like a bacon thing, please?
Yeah. Do you want any ketchup in it?
Yes. Bacon.
Bacon.
He's still
Huh?
He's still making video.
Yep. Just finishing it up. There we go. That's for you. Actually, putting that in for the final minute was a great idea because they are nicely toasted.
And I'm going to show you how they taste.
I'm going to show you how they taste.
Oh, very good.
There you go.
Yeah.
So, get yourself an air fryer. Stick some bacon in it. Lovely thing for the caravan. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.
Bye.